On the occasion of today's Giornata della Liberazione, Liberation Day, here is a very simple yet historic recipe. The pastasciutta antifascista is a traditional Italian dish that symbolizes resistance and celebration of freedom from fascism. It originated on July 25, 1943, when Benito Mussolini was arrested. The Cervi family, known for their anti-fascist stance, distributed 380 kilograms of pasta with butter and Parmigiano cheese to the people of Campegine, a town in the province of Reggio Emilia, to celebrate the fall of the fascist regime. This simple pasta dish became a symbol of anti-fascism and is still celebrated today. Every year on July the 25th, the anniversary of Mussolini's fall, and on April the 25th, Liberation Day, events across Italy commemorate this historic moment by serving pastasciutta antifascista.